thought I'd show you my pigeon peas. They're pretty cool. They're a dried pea, and that's when you know they're ready. See this? The end bit is brown. Took me a while to figure it out, and you may not be able to hear them rattle, but yes, they rattle in their pods when they're ready to pick. And yeah, you use them just like dahl or any other kind of split pea. Got cute little flowers that are red and yellow, usual kind of pea flower, and they're very tough. Mine are in awful soil, which I haven't quite completely fixed yet, but hardly any water. I mean, they do obviously need some water, but these are grown over the last 18 months from seed. So I've got 5 of them now. I did have 7. I think a wallaby pushed one over, got into the fence, and what happened to the other one? I think it was a curl grub. The big, they look like really fat witchetty grubs. They live in the soil, and they ruin a lot of pasture actually in Queensland, because they eat the roots. I've lost a few eggplants that way because they got into my garden beds. So my friend said, "Oh, you can't have those in there," and she helped me dig all that we could out of our raised garden beds. And yeah, some kookaburras. They're birds, by the way, in Australia. Kookaburras turned up, and they love grubs. So we were throwing them to about 5 kookaburras who sat on the fence and got rid of our grub problem for us. But anyway, grubs are gross and a problem. But I still have 5 of these pigeon peas. So I believe I got the seeds from the seed collection, TSC. Otherwise, you can probably just Google pigeon peas. They probably have other names, but I think they're originally from Africa, but they do really well in dry climates. And you can eat them fresh, but I think we'll be using them dry. Anyway, they might be worth a go.